Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Arkansas picking up a car, guys. Stay with us to see what we got. Okay, we've been driving in the snow, ice, constantly for the last 400 miles. Yeah, you can see what the Mercedes, you see that old Mercedes that we used to haul everything with that thing, guys, everything, and it's still going strong at 207,000 miles without any major repairs. Okay, you can see 18 degrees, super cold now outside, so let's see what we get. So the vehicle now that we're getting, guys, if you want to see any specific videos for it, check out our second channel. Leave a comment for Auto Repair, guys, if you want to see any specific repair on it. I don't know how long we're gonna own it, but just to flip something so we can feel our passion, you know, building the BMW on World Mechanics, our main channel. Hey, safety first, I guess. So that's it, guys. Toyota Highlander. Okay, it's 2005. 4 brand new tires, awesome deal, Firestone's destination. You can see brand new tires, some minimal damage to the front, clean title, that's super easy fix. Okay, probably fender will be 80 bucks, bumper will be about 100, and a door about 250. Okay, let's check inside what it looks like. It looks pretty good, a little bit dirty, no smokes, no cigarette burns or anything like that. Okay, we are going to check if it's going to start. Most likely battery is dead because they store them for a long time. 98,000 miles. A little bit dead. We're gonna jump start it and see. Hopefully everything sounds good there. Okay, let's check the back now. One thing about that car, if we got a really good deal, it's if it has a third row seat. Okay, and it has seat belts. So if it has the third row, that's a major thing, guys. That's probably $1,500. Retails higher than one without a third row. There is a lot of demand for those. Okay, so let's lift it up now. This one needs to move a little bit. Okay, and let's see what we got here now. Okay, and as you can see, third row seat right here, guys. So it looks pretty awesome. 4 of the tires are matching tires. That's great. I mean, we couldn't ask for better deal, to be honest with you. Clean title with a little bit of damage. And let's check under the hood now to see what's going on there. Okay, 2.4 4-cylinder right here. Engine looks amazing. I mean, there is no major leaks or anything like that. Transmission looks great too. We're gonna check levels, gonna check coolant, oil. Okay, you always want to make sure you have oil before you start it. Okay, that one looks good. Make sure it's not mixed with water. Okay, and let's hook up the little jump starter here and see how it's going to start now. 2.4 16 valve engine, super easy to work on, no turbos or anything like that. So that's, I mean, if you want a family car, that's not gonna cost you a lot in the long run. Okay, let's see now. So it sounds good. We don't want to run it too much without checking everything, coolant and stuff, and it's freaking cold. Okay, so let's see now what we have here. Radio works. Okay, blower works. So yeah, full gas of tank, full tank of gas. We got those mixed up, and not bad at all. Let's see if it has the manual in the glove box. Yep, it does. That's one big thing when sell a used car. People always ask for a manual, and I don't blame them. Okay, so we didn't find anything this time. A little bit of snow. Okay guys, we let it warm, sounds amazing. I have too many clothes but it's too cold. We're gonna take it to the shop, inspect it there. We're gonna have many episodes coming soon on Toyota. So thank you guys for watching. Check out both of our channels. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.